Get ready to experience classic American-style raw V8 power and family-friendly luxury all in one stunning wagon. This 1965 Ford Fairlane Ranch Wagon isn't just a car, it's a rolling legend that demands attention. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button because today we are diving into something truly iconic, a classic that perfectly blends timeless 60s American style with modern usability. This jaw-dropping 1965 Ford Fairlane Ranch Wagon, a cool wagon that doesn't just turn heads, it commands attention. At first glance, it's impossible not to admire the factory-correct Wimbledon White exterior, pristine, gleaming, and utterly elegant. Every curve, every line screams mid-60s design brilliance. But don't let the elegance fool you. Under that classic sheet metal lies a 289 cubic inch V8 engine, the heart and soul of this machine, offering both spirited performance and reliability that makes it an absolute joy to drive. Paired with a 3-speed C4 automatic transmission, this Fairlane Ranch Wagon delivers smooth, confident power whether you're cruising down the boulevard or making a spirited getaway on the open road. And thanks to the new front suspension combined with leaf spring and air shock rear suspension, you get that rare balance of classic ride comfort and modern handling stability. Every corner feels precise, every straightaway feels effortless, and every drive feels like a first-class experience in motion. Now, let's talk about stopping power. This wagon comes equipped with 4-wheel power disc brakes, giving you modern braking confidence while keeping everything looking authentically vintage. And if you love the sound of classic muscle, the dual exhaust featuring Smithy's mufflers delivers that deep, satisfying rumble every time you put your foot down, a soundtrack that's as nostalgic as it is thrilling. Slide inside, and you're instantly greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends vintage charm with subtle modern touches. The gray vinyl interior is spacious, inviting, and practical, perfect for families, enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates a classic cruiser with a purpose. The spacious bench seating means everyone can ride in comfort, while the aftermarket center console adds a touch of contemporary convenience without ever detracting from that 60s vibe. And yes, while this is a classic car through and through, it's surprisingly tech-friendly. The AM/FM stereo with USB port and Bluetooth connectivity lets you stream your favorite tunes or podcasts effortlessly, making road trips a breeze and daily drives a luxurious experience. It's the perfect marriage of classic style and modern functionality. Let's not forget the wheels. The 15-inch ion alloy wheels give this wagon a subtle yet confident stance, complementing the pristine white exterior perfectly. Whether parked at a car show or rolling through the streets, this Fairlane Ranch Wagon exudes presence. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And here's the best part. Despite all this elegance, performance, and charm, this incredible piece of automotive history comes at an astonishingly reasonable $24,995. Think about that for a moment. Classic American design, a period-correct V8, modern drivability, and a luxurious feel that rivals many contemporary cars today. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in style, in nostalgia, and in pure driving enjoyment. Picture yourself behind the wheel. You're gliding effortlessly down a sunlit boulevard, the V8's low rumble resonating through the cabin, the wind catching the perfectly straight lines of that Wimbledon White paint, and the world can't help but notice. Passers-by stop, jaws drop, and you can't help but grin knowing you're driving an icon. This isn't just about horsepower or suspension geometry, it's about an experience. The 1965 Ford Fairlane Ranch Wagon reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. It's a rolling testament to craftsmanship, to an era when every detail mattered, and to the enduring appeal of American muscle combined with practicality. Whether you're a collector, a weekend cruiser, or someone who just loves the feeling of a car that's alive, this wagon delivers on every level. So if you're ready to own a piece of history, a car that's as stylish as it is fun, and a machine that's equally at home at a family outing or a classic car cruise night, look no further. The 1965 Ford Fairlane Ranch Wagon isn't just a car, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and an unforgettable driving experience. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're a fan of classic American wagons. Comment down below your dream road trip in a car like this, and subscribe for more ultra-luxury automotive showcases. This is more than a car, It's history on wheels, and it's waiting for you.